In this video, you will learn how you can generate offer letters for your new employees from your MySQL database and send those offer letters to those new candidates automatically. So guys, for that we are going to connect the MySQL database as the trigger application, and after that Google Docs and Gmail as the action applications to set up this automation workflow. And we are going to set up this whole automation without any coding very easily. So let's start. To set up this automation, guys, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an automation tool. And this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. I have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now. And after that, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect like this. And here you have to click on this create workflow button to set up the automation workflow. And here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I am giving the name here as MySQL to Gmail, let's say. Okay, so you can give any other name as well. I'm just writing it like this, and after that click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So these are the basic building blocks of this automation, and our automation is based on this conditional logic that when this happens, that means when something happens in one application, Pabbly Connect is going to perform any action in any other application. Okay, so here you have to choose the trigger application in which the trigger event is going to occur. So trigger event is that event which is going to make this workflow run, and the action would be the consequence or the response towards the trigger event. Okay, so in this use case, adding of details of any candidate or any new employee is going to act as a trigger here. So MySQL is the trigger application. So search for MySQL here. Here it is selected. Okay. And the trigger event would be new row in a table. Okay. Then you have to click on connect. From here, select add new connection. And here it is asking for the database, username, database password, host name, database name, port number. So you will find everything when you set up your MySQL database. You can see this is my MySQL database, and this is the table in which I'm having the details of my new candidates. You can see this is my database's name. So here you can see the host address as well. So you can just copy the host address from this top search bar like this, and you can paste it here like this, and you will find the port number which you have to enter like this. Let me add other details also, and after that we are going to click on save and connect. So guys, I have entered all other details. You can see the database username, the database name. Okay, and now I'm clicking on save, and you can see we are getting connected with MySQL. So you can see we are connected, and here it is asking for the table's name and the unique column. So this is my table. You can see this is the table I am using, named as candidate details. Okay, and it got already selected here. From here you can see the list of all the tables you have and select your table. And here it is asking for the unique column, so you can select any unique column if you want. And after that you can click on save and send test request button, and the most recent entry that you have done inside the table will be fetched here in this response section. Let me show you that. The most recent entry I have done is this one. You can see the candidate ID number is 28, the name is demo user, email, and the phone number. So this should be fetched in our response. So let me click on save and send test request button. And here you can see, guys, the data got fetched, and here you can see the unique ID 28, name, demo user, email, and the ID. Okay, so this is the most recent entry I had shown you, and it got fetched here. Now guys, I want to create an offer letter for this candidate or this person. For that, I have created a template, an offer letter template using Google Docs application. Here you can see this is the template I have created, titled as offer letter. And here you can fill in these details. You can see, guys, in this offer letter, I have these things in double curly braces. EMP name, company, position, and company. So I have three tags I have added here inside this template. So these are the variable tags or placeholders I have added in this document so that we can change these things with every new offer letter. For example, you can place the name of the candidate here, the company's name here, the position here. Okay. So these are the things, these are some things which changes with every new offer letter. So I have placed here as variable placeholders to get these things changed dynamically whenever we generate an offer letter automatically using our workflow. Okay. So you can customize the offer letter according to you, but please remember to place these placeholders or variable tags properly. Okay. Now, to generate offer letters dynamically, I am going to connect Google Docs here in this Actions tab. So search for Google Docs. Here it is. Select it. Action event would be create document from template. Then click on connect. From here, if you're making the connection for the first time, select add new connection, then click on sign in with Google. From here, you have to select the Google account by which you have created that template. Alright, then you have to provide some additional access to your account. That is completely safe. Just click on continue and you'll be connected in a few seconds. You can see the authorization is successful. And here we are connected. Now it is asking for the template document's name. So the name of my template document is offer letter. So you have to select it from the given list. Here is offer letter. And here it is asking what name you want to provide to the newly generated offer letter. Okay. For that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to use the data that I have received from MySQL here in this trigger step. And I'm going to map this data here, some of the data here in these fields. For that, you just have to click here. So to provide the name to the new document, I'm going to use, you can see as I have clicked here, the previous step is showing up here in the drop down. And when you click on it, all the data that you have received in the trigger will be shown up here like this. So from here, I'm going to map the name. After that, I'm going to place an underscore. And after that, I'm going to click here again and place the candidate ID as well. So this is candidate ID is a unique ID. So this will make a unique name of the file. Okay. Here it is asking for the new documents location. So from here, you have to select a folder of your Google Drive directory in which you want to save the newly generated documents. So this is my Google Drive directory folder. You can see named as new recruits offers. Okay. In this folder, I want to save the newly generated documents or the offer letters. So I'm going to select this folder from here, new recruits offers. Here it is. Okay. And here you can see, guys, we have three fields opened up here. EMP name, company, and the position. So these are the three variable tags that I have placed inside my template document as I've shown you, and these are appearing here in this like these. And to get the values of these three things change automatically with the help of our workflow, you need to map the values of these three things here in the workflow. And to map the values, I'm going to use the previous step or the trigger step, where we have fetched the data from MySQL. For the employee name, I am just mapping the employee name. Okay, and for the company and the position, you can fill the things manually as well if you do not have the data in MySQL, or if you have already placed the data in MySQL, you can map the things. Right now, I do not have the company name in the MySQL, so I'm going to write it down manually. Position, developer. But the things that you are writing here manually are not going to change, guys. The things that you map here as labels are going to change with every new execution of the workflow. So please do remember to map the things as many times as possible, okay? Because if you map the things, the labels are going to be updated and things are going to change, right? Now you can check your connection with Google Docs by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button, and a newly generated document will be saved and appear here inside your Google Drive folder. Let me show you. I am clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and here you can see this is the response we have received, and it has given us our document ID. That means a new document got generated. Let us check in the Drives folder. Here you can see, guys, a new document is here with the name demo user underscore 28. This is the same name I have given here. You can see. All right. Let me open this file for you. And here you can see, guys, in place of the placeholders or the variable tags, we got the name placed of the employee, of the company, and the position as well. You can see previously in the offer letter, we have these variables, right? And here you can see the data got placed. Okay. So there is a little bit of formatting errors here, but you can change it. You can customize it by placing the placeholders correctly without any spaces, extra spaces. I have given some extra spaces here. Not to worry. It will be okay. Right. So we have generated the document, and now I want to share this newly created document as a new email attachment to my candidate. For that, first of all, we are going to generate a shareable link of this document. Okay, so the document got saved in Google Drive. So here I'm going to click on this plus icon so that another action step will open up, and here I'm going to connect with Google Drive folder in which I have got the document saved, and with the help of this action step I'm going to generate a shareable link of the document. Let me show you how. Just search for Google Drive here. Here it is selected. And in the action event, select this option. Share a file with anyone. Okay, select this. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection. Click on sign in. From here, select the Google account. Give the required access. Just click on continue. All right, and here you can see the authorization is successful. And we are connected with Drive. Now it is asking for the file's ID. So guys, you can see in the previous step, we got this document ID generated. So I'm going to map this document ID here in this file ID. Okay. For that, just toggle this map button to on, then erase this field. Okay. And here you can see it started showing the previous two steps. So from the last step, map the document ID. After that, click on save and send test request button. And here you can see, guys, we got this kind of response, and here we have the file's name. And here we have all the shareable links. This is a web view link, an RTF link, an HTML link, a PDF link, a EPUB link. These are all shareable links that you can use to share the file. So I'm going to use this PDF link, guys. Okay. And I want to share the file via email. For that, just click here on this plus icon and connect with Gmail here to send an email. This is Gmail, and the action event would be send an email. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, then connect with Gmail. Select the Gmail account by which you want to send the email. Then give the required access. Just click on continue. And here you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. And here it is asking for the recipient's email address. So here we are going to place the email address of our candidate or newly recruit. For that, I'm going to use the MySQL step where we have fetched the details of the candidate. So here's the email, just map it. CC, BCC, I'm leaving these things blank. Sender's name, HR Pabbly. Okay. Email subject, offer letter. I'm just showing you the demo. You can change these things according to you. Email content type is plain, and here let me type a email to my candidate. So I have written a small email for the people I'm sending the offer letters, and here you can see I have written dear, congratulations on your offer from. So after dear, I want to place the name of the person to whom we are sending this email, and we got the names in our MySQL database. So from this MySQL step, the trigger step, I'm going to map the name of the person, and congratulations on your offer from. Here you can type the name of the company. Okay. Position of developer. Right. So this is kind of email, and here I'm going to attach the file that we have created. So you will find the file name and an attachment link from the last Google Drive step. So from this Google Drive, map the name. Similarly, map the PDF link. This is the PDF link. Okay. Now you can check your connection with your Gmail by clicking on Save and Send Test Request, and an email will be sent to this address. Okay. So I'm going to show you the demo by filling my email address here. Okay. Then I'll click on Save and Send Test Request and show you how the email is going to look like. So this is the email inbox of my employee, and here I'm clicking on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, so this is the response we have received, guys. Let me show you the email now. Here you can see we have received a new email from HR Pabbly. This is the subject, offer letter. And here you can see the email, dear demo user, congratulations on your offer from Pabbly. We are delighted to offer you the position of developer. Okay, and this is the file attached here. Let me open the file. And here you can see this is the same offer letter that we have created here like this. It got sent to this person as an email in the PDF format like this. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, whenever you are going to add any new candidate's details that you are selecting for your job here in your MySQL database, the offer letter will be generated and delivered to that same candidate automatically via this automation workflow, and this workflow is going to run in the background. Okay, so guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it, as I'm going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.